Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to work on finding the start time. So the problems are going to give us what time something ended, how long it took, and we will have to find the start time. If it's asking what time something started, we always want to start our number line at the bottom. So today we have Henry's father spent 3 hours 30 minutes working on his truck. If it was 5:20 when he stopped working, what time was it when he originally started? So I'm going to start my number line at the bottom at 5. We're going to go backwards. So we're counting backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He ended at 5:20. He stopped working at 5:20. It took him 3 hours and 30 minutes. So I'm going to go back 3 hours. 1, 2, 3. And then I need to go back 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So he started working at 1:50. Now, boys and girls, I know it can get a little tricky when you hit that 0 mark. Remember, we count since we went 5, 10, 15, 20. We don't say 25 here because 0 and 60 are the same. So then this hump is 25. Every hump is 5 minutes. Every hump is 5 minutes. Not every time you land, every hump. So that way you can count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And so he would have started working on his truck at 1:50. All right, let's move on to the next one. Go ahead and erase your number lines. Bianca went to town carnival. She ended up staying for 2 hours and 45 minutes. If Bianca left the carnival at 8:10, what time did she originally get there? All right, boys and girls, remember that it's asking us what time she got there or what time she arrived or started. So that means we need to start at the bottom of our number line. And we need to label. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So she left the carnival at 8:10. This is what time she left. She was there for 2 hours and 45 minutes. We're going backwards, so we need to count back 2 hours. 1 hour, 2 hour. Then we need to count back 45 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So Bianca arrived at the carnival at 5:25. Go ahead and erase your number lines, and I am going to read the next one, and I'm going to let you try and do this one on your own. Tiffany was helping her mom cook dinner. If they finished at 4:30 and she had spent 2 hours and 55 minutes cooking, what time did they start? So we need to start our number line down here. Go ahead and hit pause, finish your labeling your number line, and solve the problem. All right, so if I finish labeling my number line, remember, after 1, if we're going backwards, on a clock is 12. So she finished cooking at 4:30. They cooked for 2 hours and 55 minutes. So I go back 2 hours. 1, 2. Now I need to go back 55 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So they started baking at 1:35. All right, erase your number lines. And let's try this. I'm going to read it to you. You're going to label your number line and then solve it on your own. Isabel's parents got back from shopping at 6:50. If they had been gone for 3 hours and 5 minutes, what time did they originally leave? Go ahead and hit pause and try it on your own. All right, let's see how you did. So they got back from shopping at 6:50. So here's 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And so I label my number line at 6:50. They shopped for 3 hours and 5 minutes. We want to know what time they started. So that's 2 hours, 3 hours, and 5 minutes. So they started shopping at 3 hours, 3:45. Very good, boys and girls. Let's go ahead and try one more. Erase your number lines. Will spend 3 hours and 15 minutes outside cleaning up his yard. If it was 5:25 when he finished, what time did Will start cleaning his yard? Push pause. Try it on your own. All right, so it says he finished at 5:25, so I will label. He spent 3 hours and 15 minutes cleaning up his yard, so I'm going to go back 3 hours. 1, 2, 3, and back 15 minutes. 5, 10, 15. So he started cleaning up his yard at 2:10. All right, boys and girls, on your next slide, you will have about 4 questions to answer on your own. Please do your best and use your number line.